You're welcome to my channel. Over here, this soursop, it has a lot of benefits. Look at how good looking it is here, but I just wanted to show you, and then we have this. So this is what we're going to be using. Although it's looking dark, it's looking as if it's not clean or something, but I tell you, it's okay, it's fine, it's been washed. But we are interested in the inside. All of this is not going to be consumed, including the seed. We're not going to consume it. All these spiky things are going to be peeled off, and then I will show you how it's going to look after the peeling. We're going to have two methods. One, let's see. So I've cut open. So I'm going to be putting all of this. I'm putting it into these plates. So after now, because I want to snack, because I just want to snack on it, this is what I will just do. I'll just remove the seeds, the seeds, the seeds. Look at the seeds, I'll just remove them. Okay. And if I don't remove everything all at once, even while snacking on it, I can. But for children, you don't give it with the seeds to avoid choking. If you need to, if the seeds are not removed, if you need to still repeat that process, you can repeat and let the seeds, aim at pressing it hard on the seeds. Otherwise, you allow your teeth, your mouth to do the deceiving. But be careful of any form of choking that it may want to cause. Mashed soursop.